Yeah, people, right here in Portland. You see it? Yeah. Yeah, people, look at these birds.
You don't know the song you can call Peacock because it's next media. Peacock.
Yeah, people, you're about X Media. I mean, I say big up everybody where tune into my video them. Everybody will like and share. And it's a blessing to reach 5k subscribers, you see it? Don't know it already. Far we are come from, you see it? And to reach. So got this pretty one. Right here in Portland, people. You see it? Portland is blessed. Do you guys know what this type of bird name? I don't know if you guys know what it name. Right here in Portland. Bird and gone.
Spring garden.
It's a developed people. There's about 3 water factories in the area. Yeah.
It's tail of day.
Yeah guys, look at this. Water jerk though. Yeah man, water jerk. This river run all the way down to the Spanish River. Yeah, it run all the way down to the Spanish River. I'm not sure where exactly the water here come from, but I know say run to the Spanish River. But the water low though. Yeah man, the water dry up. You see up in the hills here, people. You have some pangana trees, I see it. Yeah man, sometimes they drop off and thing. You call them round here rock. Between rock. Yeah man. What going on? Yeah people. Yeah man. Remember like, share and subscribe. Yeah people, you're about next meet and I say big up everybody who like and share and subscribe to the video them. Big up, cause we reach 5,000 subscribers now, so that's a good look. And may I say when I will post a video, share it to 5 friends on your WhatsApp. That can help grow the channel some more. Alright, now we aim to reach 10,000 subs. I want to reach it before summer. We want to reach it by next 2 months time. And with your help, I know you guys can help me to reach it, because you guys helped me to reach this far. So you know that reaching 10,000 is not going to be easy, but by the help of you guys, I can make it. And as I always said earlier, anywhere you want to do some vlogs, you can make me know, you see it? I see I get some requests to do some more Oak Bay vlog. I realize when they love the Oak Bay vlog, you know, so I do one next Oak Bay vlog. You can look out for the next Oak Bay one. And along time, when I do Buff Bay, you know, so Buff Bay always develop. Buff Bay one of the places of Portland where keep on develop. Buff Bay now get lower. Always develop. Yeah man. Dex Media. If you don't have any recommendation what else we can do on the channel, I realize we post funerals, because remember say I'm a photographer, so if you need no bookings, like for book me for take picture on a funeral or do live stream, yeah, me can do that too. That's it. If I get married, you can link me for do the wedding phone too. It's a lot of things, very multi-talented and things, that's it. So big up on yourself, and you see it. Yeah man, like, share and subscribe. Dex Media.
I don't know what she gets.